Explained. Setting the mechanical Fortis alarm. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, you will learn how to set the mechanical alarm on your Fortis watch. The F2001 movement was developed in cooperation with Paul Gerber, a true genius. To set the alarm, you have to adjust the alarm hand to the correct time. To do this, pull out the crown to position 1 and move the crown downwards. Then push the crown back in again. You can now activate the alarm with the pusher at 8 o'clock. You can see if your alarm is activated by the window. If it is the same color as the alarm hand, then it is active. When the time meets your set alarm time, the alarm goes off with a noticeable and audible rattling. To not only hear the alarm, but also feel it was a requirement of the cosmonauts, because sounds in space are not audible during outboard missions. The rattling warns you that the oxygen is slowly running out and that you have to return to the station. What do you use your alarm for? Share it with us in the comments. Do you also have a question? Let us know in the comments. For more tutorials and exciting stories, make sure you subscribe to our channel.